Welcome to Everllence PrimeServ Hamburg, your expert service center assisting all customer segments. We provide one of the largest service portfolios in the Everllence network with our workshop capacities, customer care and project management, sales of exchange and reconditioned parts, major repairs and on-site recovery, third-party service Omnicare, our own materials testing laboratory, and a dedicated key section at the Hakman Kai with direct berthing access. We have more than 85 years of experience and 300 trained specialists working to offer you a 24/7 service. We can process up to 160 tons of components across an area of 10,000 square meters. Our technical service team includes more than 20 superintendents and 30 field service engineers, eager to always find the best possible solution. We are experienced in large repair and retrofit projects, as well as general maintenance or electrical checkups for 4-stroke and 2-stroke engines and turbochargers. Furthermore, you can expect an inspection of components by trained and experienced staff using state-of-the-art technology for a reliable documentation of services. We offer a comprehensive service for welding and mechanical reconditioning of engine components for high-quality exchange and reconditioned parts for a sustainable supply chain. Combined machining for turning and milling ensures the highest spare part quality. Our on-site recovery team is equipped with specialized tools and has the experts and know-how to perform major repairs on 4-stroke engines. Machining large components with the high levels of accuracy and quality, which are essential for marine, power, and industry applications, are our daily business. Our in-house materials testing laboratory is your competent and reliable partner for materials testing and failure analysis. It is independent, accredited, and has more than 30 years of experience. Customers all over the world choose our service center for flexible, pragmatic, and competent solutions, even beyond our portfolio, because we can rely on support from our headquarters for additional services. We hope to welcome you soon in Hamburg.